In this video, I will show you how to turn on TikTok profile views. So the step are so simple to follow. Just make sure to watch the video to the end. After you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, tap on this as you can see now, this menu me at the top at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile like this one, so all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side, this three dot. After you open up this three dot now, tap on this privacy. Under this privacy now, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this section which says this last second to the last option which says profile view, this one. So as you can see now turn it on. Tap on this section. Now I turn on my profile view option now. Now whoever now view my profile, I can be able now to see his profile in this section. As you can see now, this one, this I section, as you can see now. If you tap on this section now, you can be able now to see whoever just open up your profile, this one. So you can be able now to see the list of the people that view your profile on TikTok. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.